Vini di Luca is a very small producer on the north side of Etna. The location is Solicchiata. He does wines only from Nerello Mascalese and Carricante. Both are indigenous Etna grapes. The wines are pre-phylloxera and the wines are Albarello. Vini di Luca produces 2,000 bottles per year and he follows organic principles but don't have the certificate. He doesn't have a winery to taste the wine, so you taste the wine where the vineyards are. The plot in this video is about 3,000 square meters, and you also find a little bit of Petit Verdot. Petit Verdot was his father's idea to give some color to a usually more pale Nerello Mascalese. And you also find Carricante and Minella wines. The winery will also open up 2 more vineyards in the area.